Lot number 143 is a 2003 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one turns over but does not start. It's got 134,000 miles. It appears to be fuel related. I installed 2 batteries on here. I also have a jump box on it. It turns over good and wants to start, but it doesn't start. The motor appears to be complete. I can't get that back door open. The cover for the engine compartment is stuck. It was pushed in beyond the bumper, and I'm unable to get it open. The body looks straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. The paint looks faded. It's got tinted windows. Tires look good. They hold air. Rear corner, driver's side is dented. The rest of the body looks pretty straight. And the paint looks moldy. The roof. This one will need to be towed out of here, as there's no mechanical work allowed on site. Let me hit the key so you can hear it. Here are the miles. 134,000. The hours. Can't read the hours. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna hit the key. See? Like it wants to start, and then it just dies. I've been trying that for a while. I can't access somewhere to spray some starting fluid. So I'm sure some starting fluid would get it going, but it's being sold as is. Turns over, doesn't start. Two AC units, unknown working condition. This one looks like it's loose, the cover. The seats look dirty and moldy, and there's garbage scattered throughout the bus. Driver's seat is torn, shows plenty of wear. Steering wheel has a lot of mold on it, and the bus is very dirty all around. All right, there you have it. It's lot number 143. It's a 2003 Bluebird. Mechanical condition is unknown. Motor turns over, does not start. Unable to test the transmission. It's being sold as is. 143. Good luck.